Okay, good evening folks. It's 21:43 on the 15th of April 2010. Just going to do a quick run through of a couple of possibilities for tomorrow. Unfortunately I'll be away tomorrow, but I'll just point out what I'd be looking for anyway, and hopefully some of you guys can catch it. So this euro pound, as I mentioned today, we've turned bearish here since we broke the lower bat support. We've had a sufficient bounce from there. We've got a bullish thrust bar, a couple of bullish thrust bars from the same level that's been tested as well. It's been removed to the close today. It might be too far really to catch it again, but that 88.04 level is where I would be looking to sell tomorrow. This pair, there's plenty of room here to the downside. There is sort of a trend line I was made aware of just as I was looking through a few things. So I guess, we could see how it reacts around about here, but certainly I see it moving to the downside from here, so I'd probably expect to see this trend line removed, and probably the TDST support to be removed as well. But always a chance of a bounce from there. But if you do get involved in the short from the 88.04 level there, there's still plenty of room even before you even get to that trend line, about 90 pips at least anyway. So I'd view this as a nice setup anyway, and hopefully it works out tomorrow. And the other pair, this euro yen, looks like it's also going to remove a sort of a first and last sort of bullish thrust bar here. And while it kind of remains at these levels, I still think these yen pairs are pressured. So I would take a sort of light view on this 127.65 level. Like I wouldn't go in heavy on it, but I think any time you get a chance to short these yen pairs where they are at the moment, I think would be a good play. So I would keep an eye on that 127.65 level tomorrow to see if there's any signals around there. And this pound dollar, it's getting closer up to this 1.5707 area, which again, as you know, as we get up nearer this area, I'll be looking to sell. We could possibly complete a TD sell setup around about that point, which I would certainly look to take, so we'll keep a close eye on that. Also, this US dollar CAD's bounced from this level now again today, and we are on a buy setup on the weekly, so we could see a return back to test this 242 level in the future in the next week or two. But I would view that more as a selling opportunity than anything else, unless we break this upper bat resistance in the process, which is currently at 1.0299. So nothing really doing there. So finally on this US dollar yen, obviously bullish here. We've had a sufficient pullback, so it looks like it's either sort of building up to move in either direction. There is quite a good amount of room here, either to the upside or the downside. So what I was looking at actually was what I'm going to place anyway, because I'll be out all day tomorrow, so I'm just going to do a sort of a set and forget thing. And I'm going to take this, it's an inside day today, so I'm going to trade the breakout of the high or the low, and use these bars here as the targets. This 92 area is obviously big on the weekly, 91.88, and on the monthly 92.14. So I'm going to use that as the short target, and then the 94.25 as the upper target. And if I can get involved in this trade, it would be a nice one to hold. If it does turn out to be the long side, it would be a nice one to hold, because obviously the view at the moment is bullish on the back of the weekly close and the monthly close. Although it's not overall bullish, still got a lot of work to do. Obviously we've got to take out this bat, and obviously the bat on the daily is miles away. So although it's not overall bullish by any means, I think there could be room for some correction in this pair, certainly by looking at the dailies. So yeah, I'm gonna just as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to set orders to buy the break and sell the break of the low there with the targets, and I'll place 3 units on that and see how it goes. Okay, I'll just take a quick look at this euro pound. So obviously we had a good day on the euro pound there. Had a target and we still have three open. So William's going to take over on this one tomorrow. So let's hope we can get another good day tomorrow. But this is the idea anyway. It's starting to kind of take shape a wee bit. Looking to build up loads of positions, and then once we get down to targets or big levels, or if we complete TD buy setups or whatever, I'd maybe lighten the load and take off some of them. And just gradually build up the size of the account. And it seems to be fairly steady so far. And we've only been going a couple of weeks, so it's looking quite good. But we'll leave it at that anyway, and good luck for tomorrow. Cheers, guys.